Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw a bald eagle. I'm so excited to draw this because I had already drawn an bald eagle with ballpoint pen when I had started this channel. But now I'm going to draw this with charcoal pencils and I'm just creating the background now because I don't want to smudge my whole drawing. So what, I'm first creating my background and then I'm going to jump into my drawing. It's just going to be a blurry background and hope it suits this picture. Actually, when I downloaded this picture, its background is completely black, but I don't think it will be okay for the drawing because this drawing is going to be in black and white, so the black background will not suit it. And this background will definitely give a contrast look to it. And here we go. I am using a neutral and a soft charcoal pencil and even the hard charcoal pencil at some areas. And I am using a white glass marking pencil for the highlights and white gel pen for the highlights. Maybe it's not required, but I'm having those things and yeah, I can use it. So what, I'm using it. If you don't have it, please don't worry about that, because when I started this channel I didn't have any of these. Yeah, of course I had my white gel pen, other than that I didn't have anything, and still I'm not using much materials for charcoal drawings. A lot of them are using mono zero eraser or pencil eraser like that. I didn't have those. If you are having those, it will be somewhat easy for you to bring out the same highlights. If you didn't have those things, you can do those things, but it will require a lot of efforts. Friends, this drawing is going to be the final drawing of this week, and for the next week I had decided to keep the charcoal as the base, and in that I'm going to draw human portraits. Still now I'm drawing animal portraits with charcoal pencils and I'm not doing any human portraits with charcoal pencils. So I'm decided to draw human portraits in the next week with charcoal pencils. It will be a new experience for me and a new learning. Of course friends, I am good in charcoal, but still now I didn't try a human portrait with charcoal pencils. Hope it will be fine and I'm going to try it out. And friends, we are nearing to 800 subscribers. I'm so happy to see your support and love you for each and every drawings. So please keep the same support for me, and I'm so blessed to have you all here. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and spread our community. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. And thanks for watching friends. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you.